Hello guys, in today's lesson I'm going to be showing you how we can add fractions. So let's begin. Our first number, I'm going to take 2. So this is an example of how we can do the method. Okay, so this is our first question. So in order to do this, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take any of the numerators, take this one, and we're going to times it by the diagonally opposite denominator. So for step 1, we're going to do 2 times 4, which equals 8. So we've done these two numbers times by each other. Now for step 2, we're going to do 7, same thing again. We're going to take the numerator and times it by the diagonally opposite denominator, which is 7. So for our second step, we're doing 7 times 3, which equals 21. And in order to get our first number for our fraction, our numerator, we're going to do 21, and we're going to add 8, which gives us an answer of 29. 29 is equal to our numerator, which I'm going to label as n, which means numerator. So now to find the denominator, very simple. We're going to take the denominator of any of the numbers, so this number, and we're going to times it by the directly opposite denominator. So for our fourth step, we're doing 7 times 4, which is equal to 28. And this is equal to our denominator, which I'm going to label as. So for step 5, our final step in answering this equation, we're going to do 29 for our numerator. Numerator goes on top. I'm going to put these numbers together. And 28 is our denominator. So this is our final answer. And if they asked you to turn this into a mixed number, it's simply 28 goes into 29 once, with 1 left over. So this would be our answer. 1 and 128. Let's take another example how we can add the fractions. This out. Okay. Now for our second example, let's take a bigger number, challenge ourselves here. Let's take 12 over, take 12 over 20. We're going to add, say, let's take 6 over 9. So this is our problem we need to solve. So our first step, like the example previous to this one, we're going to do 12, the numerator times the diagonally opposite denominator. So for step 1, we're doing 12 times 9, which gives us an answer of 108. Step 2, like the previous example, take the numerator, we're going to times it by the diagonally opposite denominator. So we're doing 20 multiplies by 6, which gives us an answer of 120. And to get our numerator, which is our top number in our answered fraction, we're going to do 108 plus 120. And this gives us an answer of 228. So this here is our numerator, which I'm going to label again at the end. Now for our fourth step, so we can get the denominator, we do 20 multiplied by 9. So 20 multiplied by 9. Again, directly opposite denominators that we're going to multiply. This gives us an answer of 180. And this is our denominator, which again I'm labeling as D. So for our last step in solving the equation, we're going to put these numbers together. So in 228 is our numerator, our top number, which comes over 180, our denominator, our bottom number. Now we can either leave our answer like this, we could turn it into a mixed number, or we could simplify. I'm going to turn it into a mixed number. So 180 goes into 228 once. And we have a remaining of 48 out of 180. And you can simplify this further, or you can just leave it out. So this is our final answer. So let's put that here. And I think that ends today's lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked it. And comment down below what sort of math topics you want me to cover in future videos. And for now, I'll see you then.